Okay, I wanted to share with you my find on this Hooga HG200 red light therapy box. I've actually had it for a little while now and I really like it. I know that you can get red light therapy in spas and things like that, but I don't know about you, but I don't particularly have the money to be doing that all the time. I like that I can use this at home. It measures 9.5 by 6 inches and it's got some weight to it. It's not heavy by any means, but it's very well made and you can tell that it's really well made. You'll see that the specifications on this red light therapy box say that it gives off 660 nanometers of red light and then 850 nanometers of near infrared light. And the way I understand it is the red light is more for, skin health and collagen production. It reduces inflammation, things like that. And then the near infrared penetrates deeper into the body. It can be helpful for your tissues, your organs, joints, things like that. This model comes in with a built-in stand, obviously. It also comes with a built-in timer. You can set the timer for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 20 minutes. It also comes with a cooling fan. If you've been looking for one of these red light therapy boxes to use at home rather than going into a spa, I would definitely recommend this one. I like that it's lightweight, it's portable, you can do it right in your home. I really think this is a great value for the price.